Are you tired of your Shadcn app looking boring and the same every time? Change it in just 2 minutes to look like this. This is possible with a tool that is called typescript, and it is totally free. And all we have to do is go to our app, and then here we have bunch of predefined themes. Some of them you saw on that fancy slider, and we can choose here whatever we like. For example, I like this Doom 64 theme, and when you choose your theme, you can just go here to code, and you can copy and paste this index.css inside of your project. You can choose Tailwind version 3 or version 4 and whatever the formatting you want, and it's going to work automatically with your Shadcn application. Another great feature they have is this generate, which is using AI to create your own theme. So here I can ask for something like retro Game Boy green background theme, and I can create my theme based on this prompt, of course, and it's going to automatically create a theme for me and apply it to their application right here. So here we can see now I have some kind of Game Boy theme. It's not looking good in dark mode, but we can of course fix that. And now if I want to put this one to my 8-bit CN project, for example, I'm going to copy this code from here, and now I want to apply it to 8-bit CN right here. I think it's going to look cool, so I'm opening the code and we're going to our globals.css. So here, instead of my root and instead of dark here, I'm just going to paste that code from typescript. So let's check it out now. So now here we have that classic Game Boy theme. Some things needs to be fixed. This calendar, for example, needs to have a white background. I mean, that's the 8-bit CN problem. It's not the problem from typescript. But check out how cool does it look. And we spent, what, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes? It doesn't matter. It's really fast. And we can create our own custom themes in various ways right here. And now if we want to fix this dark mode, we can just go here to base colors and change the background to anything that we like. So we can take this green, for example, and just make it a little bit darker, something like this, to keep that retro Game Boy theme. And this one is now looking much better. I mean, it's not really good, but it's looking like Game Boy. So we can tweak around our theme, and we can also change the typography and bunch of things. You can play around with it. You have the link in the description below. For me, this is a great tool, especially for 8-bit CN, because here I'm planning to create a new themes section where you can change to retro themes like Sega, Super Nintendo, Game Boy, like this, and I think it's going to look pretty cool. So stay tuned, subscribe, and also don't forget, go to the GitHub page of typescript and put a star on this project. This guy is doing really a great job on building this one, and it's always good, and we all have to support open source projects.